Happy day 166 of day trading the stock market open. We got a big mover. Hold up. We got a big mover on SPRB, but it's just way too expensive up here, and it's holding highs very well, but it's way too expensive. 38 bucks a share. Too expensive. So continuing on, we got SOPA. Previous runner, we've traded this before. SOPA. Looks like yesterday or Friday, it went up and had some problems with the 200-day moving average up near. Oh, that was at like 78 cents. No, that's a different stock. Wrong window. Wrong window. All right, SOPA. Got a minute to get this squared away here. Yeah, SOPA, we're looking pretty nice here. Last time SOPA had this kind of action, it went up to 675 back in February. So it gave a few days of a run too. So we'll see. We got about 20 seconds until the market opens here. I'll be waiting for MACD to curl though. Don't want to get too excited here at the open. There's VWAP. Nice bounce. SPRB up 300% now, 316%. SOPA up 125. Let's flip the scans immediately since we got some stuff moving. Don't want to make sure I'm not missing anything. Looked like that was going to be a fake breakout, but that got rejected off of that descending resistance there. SPRB halted down. Bummer. That's not a great momentum case for us after open traders here. Yeah, these breakouts were kind of choppy other than this one. Look at this. It was kind of clean, but this is chop. Oh, that was not a VWAP bounce at the open. That was a 200-day moving average at the open. Okay. Testing that resistance again right around 330. Got some nasty wicks up here. 380 and pre-market high at 4. BTTC. I think SOPA's got to be our best shot, right? See if there's some larger stocks making moves. It's a big list. I'm assuming that's going to be a yes. 40% LPTX, 63% AMDL. The rest of those are kind of, ooh, Kopin, KOPN. Wearable eyeglass company. This is your news. Kopin shares trading higher after the company announced $41 million PIPE financing. Okay. Private placement financing for KOPN. That's been popular. It's been a popular headline. Let's keep that on watch. It's up 17% right now and halted up. Shares are much larger. It's got 182 million shares outstanding, so I need to be very careful if I plan on trading that. Blockchain, ARBK. Penny stock. Not a lot of great stocks in the sweet spot here of like 1 to 10 million shares outstanding. For me, my sweet spot. KOPN, it says the price is changing, but the chart's not changing. All this moving on KOPN and nothing's happening on the chart here. With the reverse halt down right into a halt up. That's a 6-point move from $33 to $39. People just printed on that. There we go. Now KOPN is starting to catch up. Seller 140 or 340. SOPA is getting bullied around here. This stock's getting bullied. Pressure on VWAP. If 3 breaks, it could be a nasty fall. I'm not going to trade KOPN. 1, the chart's not catching up for whatever reason. And 2, I don't want to get in the Oh, there goes. That's a break of 3. I don't want to get into the... I don't want to start breaking rules just because there's nothing to trade. But I might take this above 3 SOPA. There's a VWAPs right there, whole dollar right there. If it gets above 3, that is. Would have been a lot better on the same minute. So now I'm hesitant. Halt down for SOPA 246. So right around this daily level. If it gets a little crazy. There's got to be some sympathy plays on SPRB, no? Breakthrough therapy. We can watch SPRB for case study, I guess. There will be a certain day and time that I'll be able to trade these higher price stocks. Got a minute 27 until resumption. $40 seconds until resumption, SPRB. $2.99, watching SOPA here. If I get in around 3, target will be 310, right? That 200-day moving average. Let's give 3 a shot. If I see 299 on the big, I'd hit it. Slow fill, but whatever. Such is life on this platform, I suppose. Okay, here it goes again. I tried it. MACD is not in our favor, so I'm not really interested in trying it again. I don't want to try to make something out of nothing. All of a sudden end up in like a $50 hole and just wait for some momentum somewhere. Nice to see some green bars in a row, though. Volume could look better. Could definitely look better. Oh, SPRB got a 10er. Brutal. Got the 10-minute halt. Are we getting a curl? We are getting a curl there on. We are getting a curl indeed. How powerful is it going to be? Is the 200-day moving average going to be a problem here at 310? There's 308, 37, 35, 34. Held EMA. Let's see if it breaks through this 310 now. $309. Buyers at 307. Small buyers. We got new stocks coming on here. There's 310. Some sellers at 310. $311, $312, $314. Nice. Let's get ready to rumble here. Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Just getting started. $315 on the bid and the ask there for a little bit. We haven't seen too many even spreads in non-penny stock land. That's interesting. $10 seconds. Let's see if this stays green or if we're going to get another red volume candle. Stayed green. All right. See if it takes out 320 now. There's 319. This problem's right around 330. Whoa, baby. Let's go. Let's go, babe. 326, 328, 329. Is it going to hold highs up here? Nice volume. 30 more seconds. This should be the highest volume candle of the day. Don't go red. Don't go red. Don't go red. Don't go red. Oh, bull trap. 15 more seconds. Bull trap. That's going to make a lot of bulls very skeptical. That's going to make the long bias traders very skeptical. That descending resistance is brutal there. All right, SPRB open. All right, break through this descending resistance so we can get working here. So we can get to work. Nice. This is so wicky. That's so tough to trade. Halt up. Possible halt up. SPRB. Nope. Halt up. Moved up. Buyers 323. Buyers 323 got eaten. There's 318. Candle was green, but still fighting in this range pretty hard. These wicks are nasty, which means if these bears get eventually taken out, this could squeeze pretty nice. get a little different picture here. Zoom out. Let's see. Oh, halt down SPRB. Almost. Possible halt down. See if it locks it in. All right, so we saw some explosive moves here on SOPA. How are we going to be able to... I don't think there's really a way to predict it, though. Buyer 320, buyer 320. Went to 27, 28 pretty quick. Let's see if some people move over to SOPA from SPRB to that halt down. Might take some time. They might have to get out of their trade first. 27, 28. A lot of green at 28 there, not moving. Hidden seller there at 28. Does that mean if 28 breaks, it rips? There's 23. $25, $26. $200-day moving average is 10. Okay. Not a great looking candle there. Maybe we give it more time. I feel like I'm trying to get in on that next powerful move up like this and that, but you know, this is not super clear area. So, hey, we got more stocks that showed up. ARBK's at 106 now. Let's go, babe. Here we go. $75. Buyer 315, small buyer. There's 320. This would be Ross's micro pullback if it gets through 88. $382. 3, 2, 1, new minute. Two, one, new minute again. Gotta get through 85 on ARBK. No love through 85 yet. $20 seconds until new minute. I was gonna say, did I not get fill? You fill me at 88? Get me out of here. How are you gonna fill me at 88? Unbelievable. Whatever. Soba having a hard time. ARBK just has a PR worthy name right now. Argo blockchain. It's up 115%. SOPA held VWAP though. We got a big. I don't even I'd even call it an ABCD pattern. I mean it's a W for sure, but range bound. Don't want to get excited. All right, ARBK, let's get a flush to VWAP maybe. This is a new minute. EMA breaking down. Decent looking candle off of VWAP there for SOPA. 3, 2, 1, new minute. Let's see if it gets extended here. Nope. I'll be right back. Back. What do we think? We think SOPA goes at some point today? Probably, right? Probably. Okay, kind of a slow little morning then. Maybe we wait until SOPA goes. Give it some more time. A lot of speed on that ARBK. Just picking that up out of my periffs here. MACD's already rolled. For ARBK. Let's go SOPA. Your MACD is close to staying above. Get you on your horse there, bud. In better news, fantasy hockey starts tomorrow. And not so better news, my fantasy football team got rocked yesterday. There's 20, 21. We still got to get over like this 29, 30 area. Like these wicks are tough. These wicks are tough. It really needs to be over that wick, honestly. Honestly, it's not mine. Are we going to curl ARBK? Maybe take 1,000 shares and hold it for in case 80 breaks. Back to high. Oh, SOPAY. 13%. Why? You were looking so promising. Risk $40 to make 100. Like it's 2-to-1 ratio. Now it's at 85. Whoa, big sellers there. 85. It is a penny stock. Got to keep that in mind. Those sellers get eaten though. We could have a day or a moment in time. Could have a few nice seconds on ARBK. Where'd those sellers go? There they are. I haven't got to them yet. Are we going to get to them, though? 'Tis the question. Got another stock that got added to the list. What is it? Oops. No, PALI again. Say it ain't so. I will not go. Turn the lights off. Carry me home. Na 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 na. Okay, what do we do? It's 9:08. Been sitting here for 40 minutes. We got no momentum. In stocks within our price range. We've reverted to trading a penny stock, which, yeah, perfect timing. Good entry. Well, I don't want to say good entry because I tried to hit it at 80, 85, 86, and I got filled at almost 89. So, but, right idea. Right, the strategy there was top notch. This one, not so much. Right idea, not the right idea for a scalping strategy, though. We're going to try to play this $3 area to see if it would hold and see if it would curl. Yes, it did curl indeed, but shaking out. Whoa. Cut the chat. I'm looking for 85 here. Got it. What did I get filled at this time? Filled me at 88. That seller got rocked though. So let's give it some time. I wonder if we're gonna have a problem at 90. Let me get out of here. Let me get out of this trade. Was expecting a quicker resolution on that set after that seller broke. SOPA hauled down 246, still right around this area. See if we get some big buyers to step in. Maybe this will be our last shot before we call it a day. It's a shame. Good volume on that, on the green side there on ARBK. Okay, candle regained. Candle regained. Go, baby. 88. Buzzing. I can't break 88 again. Interesting. It's 88 again. Kind of in this range here. We gotta be careful. MACD still not positive, so, or at least not positive enough. SPRB still fluctuating. I think that's kind of the problem right now anyways. I think a lot of focus is on SPRB, which kind of leaves us with the leftovers, for lack of better terms. There's 88 again. Fighting for pennies. Gross. I think that's it. Scratch red. Yeah. Tough market open trading again. The theme continues. Unless this VWAP, unless this flushes to VWAP, then give this one last entry. Uh-oh. Okay. Now I'm done for real. VWAP didn't hold. Spread love, be good to each other. I am out of here. Peace.